Hey there, tech fans! Are you ready for a deal that's gonna blow your mind? Today we're talking about the GMKtec K12 Gaming Mini, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. This tiny powerhouse of a computer is packed with specs that'll make you wonder how it fits in such a small package. First up, we've got the Ryzen 7 H255 CPU. Think of this like a super smart brain for your K12 Mini. It's an upgraded version of the older Ryzen 7 8745H, and boy, is it fast. With 8 cores, 16 threads, thanks to SMT support, that run at up to 4.9 GHz, you can get your gaming or video editing done in no time. But what really sets this CPU apart is its AVX 512 support. Essentially, this means it's got a whole lot more muscle when it comes to handling complex tasks like 3D modeling or scientific simulations. And with that powerful Radeon 780M iGPU, you can enjoy smooth gaming performance even on the latest titles. Now, let's talk about graphics. The K12 Mini supports quad-screen 4K/8K output via HDMI 2.1, 8K at 60 Hz, DisplayPort 1.4, 4K at 60 Hz, and USB Type-C transfer speed, supporting PD 3.0/DP 1.4/data. That means you can hook up multiple displays, all with crisp, high-resolution images, perfect for gamers, video editors, or anyone who needs to multitask. And what about storage? You get 32GB DDR5 RAM plus 512GB SSD. That's a total of 34GB of storage space, not counting the additional 8TB you can add to each of the 3M.2 expansion slots. Think of it like having all your files and programs on one super speedy drive. But here's the thing, with great power comes great cooling, right? The K12 Mini has dual fans that keep things frosty under heavy loads, just 35 dB in quiet mode. That means you can enjoy gaming or video editing without disturbing anyone nearby. And if you really want to get creative, there are 13 dazzling RGB lighting modes to personalize your rig's vibe. Now, let's talk about networking and connectivity. The K12 Mini has dual Ethernet ports for faster file transfer speeds, built-in Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.2, making it perfect for gamers who need fast data transmission or content creators who want seamless wireless connectivity. Finally, we've got the Oculink port, which enables higher bandwidth capabilities, better frame rates, and lower lag. That means if you're using an external GPU, iGPU, setup, this is a major win for you. But don't just take my word for it, GMKtec backs up their claims with a 1-year limited warranty and 24-hour support. Plus, there are amazing discounts available for business buyers. So, what do you get when you buy the GMKtec K12 Gaming Mini? A deal that's almost too good to be true. With this tiny powerhouse of a computer, you're getting the powerful Ryzen 7 H255 CPU. Quad-screen 4K/8K output for smooth gaming and video editing. 32GB DDR5 RAM plus 512GB SSD storage, perfect for multitasking. Dual cooling fans with RGB lighting for ultra-efficient cooling. Fast networking and connectivity options. A 1-year limited warranty and 24-hour support, all of this for the price of. Insert price. Yes, you read that right. For less than what you'd pay for a mid-range gaming PC, you can get your hands on one of these tiny monsters. So, if you're ready to level up your gaming or content creation setup without breaking the bank, check out the link below and get ready to experience the future of mini PCs. And with an energetic flourish.